Arinakatu 2 in Lappeenranta. It's nearly because this is city center.
Yeah.
Anyway.
It has too many areas, different names.
It's a good I.G.V.
Yeah.
This is actually good bad quality, so that's why they're replacing them. Yeah. But this is the older I.G.V, so it's not that bad.
I.G.V.
But 1993, 11846. Here's the flow indicator. One door. I want to take him one already.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, but upgraded the lights. Yeah.
Focus yeah, bent back to that.
Strange.
Yeah.
Inspected by Kiva inspector meter by original describe this. The Verjeskoti had almost similar one, but it was replaced.
Yeah.
And this is also almost a neighbor building.
Yeah.
Multi-doors.
That's
Yes.